Ty sees a fish right here in the bed. Just flip to him.
Oh.
Good one?
Yeah. Come over. He's right here.
It's right here.
Ooh. He's barely hooked. Oh, there's another one right here.
Nice fish.
Got a 3-pounder. Just I was fishing with the yum. Ow, he bit me. Fishing with the yum dinger. As I was reeling this fish in, there was another smaller fish right behind it. He's sitting right here. But I seen this fish sitting right here, right by this drain, showing this drain right here. I just seen him sitting right here. So we're gonna get a release on this nice healthy bass. Fishing in Orlando, Florida.
Ooh, nice release. Sprayed you. Nice fish.